Hi everyone, Maxine here with Tink and I Treasures. Welcome back to my studio. Today we have another box from Grabie. This is the art subscription box. And this is the second one I have received. And this one is from August. So this is the August art subscription box. Now they do have one that is scrapbooking, but I chose the art ones because, well, I do watercolor painting, and actually I'm interested in maybe doing some mixed media type stuff, and you know, some other elements that are a little bit different to put into my junk journal. So I have plenty of scrapbooking type supplies, but I thought this might be fun. So let's see what we have. Oh, look at that. Oh my. Well, right away it's like, oh, look at this. Oops, things are falling out. Oh my goodness, it's full of things. Oh, I had no idea. This has actually got stuff in it. Whee! Not only do they send a pretty little case, but they fill it with stuff. That is awesome. Let's see. Okay. Open this, and I think that just makes the bottom expand. Yeah. So the bottom expands. So you got quite a bit of room in there to put stuff. And then this for pens or brushes. And then that. I love it. That is so pretty. I love these colors too. So what fell out? Plus pen. Oh. Let's get out our little, that goes over there, our little sample thing and see what this is about. So, oh, like it. I like it. Huh. So yeah, it's just colored pens, I guess. It looks like it's kind of a felt tip. But it writes like a, I mean, it feels like a pen. Huh. These are nice. I like it. And then this. Oh. Looks like it's a mechanical pencil. So yeah, mechanical pencil. Wow, wow. That's the second one I got from them. The first box had a mechanical pencil too, which I was really happy about. And what do we have here? We have, it feels like watercolor paper in round discs. Isn't that curious? Well, you know what? These would be awesome. I'm going to be putting these in my junk journals. I'm going to be doing little paintings on them, and the back could be for journaling, or, you know, they could give them to somebody or what have you. So, yeah, these would also be good if a person made cards and had a card, you know, big enough for this circle to go on and do something with that. So yeah, that's nice. Oh, what do you suppose this is? Well, it comes in a really cool case, and it has little You know, I don't have a clue what this would be for. Huh. They're like rubber. They're fairly hard. They all come out. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm perplexed. I have no idea what this might be for. If anybody out there knows what this could be, I would appreciate it if you put in the comments. I'm sure maybe other people are wondering as well. But unfortunately, with these boxes, you don't get any information on what's included, you know. And I'm afraid I am just, this doesn't really even tell me anything. It says pastel cookie. I don't know if that's the brand. Yeah, I don't have a clue what these might be for. They're in a nice little case, you know what I mean? But that's yeah. Oh, we got another little watercolor brush or water brush, so that's nice. Oh, a couple of rings. Ooh, those are nice. That's a nice color. I like those. And watercolor pens. What fun. Those will be fun to use. Looks like some great colors. Yeah, I could really use the black one because I'm starting to do some watercolor watercolor and ink type style, and the black one or even the brown one would be very useful for that. So yeah, those are awesome. Oh, and we got a whole bunch of these. What do you suppose these are? It looks like, oh, and here's some lead to go with that mechanical pencil. So that's very, very nice for them to think to do that. Oh my. Well, these are a definite color story, are they not? So, 0, that one must be a clear color marker. Let's see, where's our little test sheet? So, let's see what we got here. So we got a wide one. Yeah, it's either clear or it's white. I'm not sure which. And then a narrower one. So, let's pick one that everyone can actually see. So, oh, that's nice. Ooh, that's very buttery. Very buttery, very saturated. Not at all what I expected. Yeah. Pretty nice. Pretty nice indeed. Oh, what do we have here? Okay. Oh. Oh my. I wonder if this is what these are for. You suppose? Yeah, I think so. I think those is what this is for. Something like that. Okay, so what kind of paper is this? It's not watercolor paper. I'm not sure it would handle, wouldn't handle much. It's nice. It's very smooth. I would say it's probably sketch paper. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, that explains what those discs are for, though. I bet you. It's to put this together. And then this closes it up like that. And you put the rings in there. So yeah, it's like a sketchbook. So that's fun. I like that. I like that. So there we have it, guys. Another unboxing with some really interesting things. So yeah, I am very, so far I've gotten 2 boxes from them, and yeah, so far I really can't, sorry about that, making all kinds of noise here. You know, I can't complain. Is it stuff I would have bought? Probably not. But that's the whole point, isn't it, of these type of things, is that you get things that you typically would not have gotten, and maybe you expand a little bit. So yeah, I am quite pleased with this. I love this guy. And this is a mystery. This is a mystery. I have absolutely no clue what this would be for. Absolutely no clue. I wonder if it's an eraser? Well, you never know. You know, you grab at straws when you don't know about what something is, and you start grabbing at straws. So let's do that. See what happens here. Huh? Well, shoot, maybe it is an eraser, huh? Because look at that. Well, if it's not, it should be. Because it does a fabulous job. So, I don't know. If it's not an eraser, maybe it should be, huh? So, anyway, thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Check out the company. That's the name. Check it out and let me know what you think. But yeah, I'm very happy with the quality of things. Seems really nice, really good. So, and yeah, I cannot say I'm disappointed. Like I said, it's not things I might have bought myself. I already have some of these that I don't use near as much. I mean, I don't use, so I need to start. Anyway, so thanks for joining me again. Until the next time, please like and subscribe if you haven't. Please leave a comment. And until the next time, take care of you. Love each other. And join me again. Bye.